The 5000D makes a stunning, showpiece-worthy PC easy to build, and even easier to keep cool with the space and flexibility to mount multiple 360mm radiators. A high airflow optimized steel front panel delivers massive airflow to your system for maximum cooling. The Corsair RapidRoute cable management system makes it simple and fast to route your major cables through a single hidden channel, with an easy-access hinged door and a roomy 25mm of space behind the motherboard for all of your cables. Includes two Corsair 120mm AirGuide fans, utilizing anti-vortex vanes to concentrate airflow and enhance cooling. A motherboard tray with customizable fan mounts allows you to side mount up to 3 by 120mm fans or up to a 360mm radiator, enabling new flexible cooling options. Top reviews from the United States. Fantastic midsize. Super fun to build in. The size of the case is big, but it has enough room to fit a modern graphics card and water cooling piping. Not sure how this will fare if I eventually use the new 40 series thick boy cards, time will tell. I had a super fun time with the build. It took extra time to build because I wanted side fans and the white interior cable management. Had to work around it and it presented challenges to cable management, but the end result was worth it. If you aren't building a starter rig or a basic rig, and you really enjoy the hobby, spend more and get a quality case. This thing is leagues above my starter Rockwell case, but the cost reflects that increase in quality. I don't foresee ever needing another case unless technology drastically changes.